Hi ladies and gents, today I'm gonna show you how to cook white beans in Congolese culture, in Congolese manner, right? So we're gonna boil it with palm oil and a couple of onions to make it softer. So first thing first, we're gonna get it boiled. So let's go. Right, empty this. Clean it first. You go clean it first. Right, you put water in it. You put water to boil it, but don't put too much. Don't put too much water. Just about that. That's enough. It's even too much. Right. This is just about it. And then you put some oil. Don't put too much oil. Right? That can be enough. You put salt. Boiling it. Don't put too much. You put fire, but not too much. So we're gonna proceed to cut onions first. I'm not gonna put too much, just two. There is no need of putting them too much because onions are here just to help the process of softening the beans to be quicker. So no need of putting them much. Now that we finished chopped our onions, we're gonna put them into the pot to boil for some time. And then afterwards, we need to add some meat. But you ask any Congolese will tell you that pork trotters meat is the best combination with white beans. So that's what we're gonna add in. We add in trotters, pork trotters. So we let it boil for some times, but you gotta come to check it from time to time. Remember, we did put not too much water, so don't let it burn. You gotta come back to be checking it from time to time. Now we start chopping our ingredients. Some chive, not just one is enough. Chop it. Although we boiled our beans with some onions, but we're still gonna fry some more together with other ingredients before we can add into the boiled beans. So here we're chopping some more onions that we're going to fry together with other ingredients. Some chili as well. So we chop some chili I just put 3 chilies in it, you know. I know other people don't eat chili, but I like my beans very hot, so I put 3 chilies. So after this, we're gonna prepare our pan so we can fry our ingredients. Now we are not gonna put much oil, just tiny bit. This is olive oil, by the way. So we add some tomatoes, some tomato paste. So concentrated tomatoes in it will make your soup, thick and super duper. So there we are. We are putting some tomatoes. Then proceed to fry the ingredients. For frying and add on, you're gonna take your time. This gotta be fried perfectly. You need to all the time stir it. Don't put too much fire. You don't wanna burn your ingredients. Just a moderate fire, but you need to keep on stirring all the time. I'm trying to crush a little bit this onion which were not properly chopped, just to make it so it can be very nicely fried. So you keep on stirring your ingredients. Don't rush it. Take your time. This is the best part. Take your time. Stir it. Don't go away. Just stay there so you can stir it. You see now it's coming. It's changing the color, and you can even smell that it's getting ready. It's getting cooked. It's smelling. Whoa, I love the smell. I love this smell. So when it gets to this point, you know that it was very well done. That's what I'm saying, that you need to take your time. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Take your time. Now it's ready. Here we go. We add it into our boiled beans. And all you need to do now is to kind of, put it in the middle of the pot so it can receive, the heat properly, receive the proper heat right in the middle. So you place it right in the middle, then you let it boil. Don't, as I said earlier, no, the heat must not be too high, just moderate one, and then let it boil. It's already coming thick, the soup is getting thicker and thicker. So our beans is gonna be super duper. Super duper. This is much about it. This is really, I can say this is it. Once you get to this point, my friend, I'm telling you, it's super duper. I love it. And you can eat it with rice or makemba, as we call it, the plantain, banana plantain, or maybe it depends on different people, but me, I love it with rice. There you having it. Let it simmer.